So once I have this on here, I can go anywhere here and wiggle it around. You can see that it's responding to touches, but if I get up too far up here, it stops responding to any touches. This whole area is dead. Can't click on anything. Whole section is dead. Now I can flip this sucker around and basically put the top at the bottom and the bottom at the top, and you can see not registering any touches even with the screen flipped. Oh, it did there because it went up a little higher, but up here, you know, it does because I flipped it. So if I flip it again around, again we can get regular stuff going on here, open up some apps, but again, because I flipped it back around, this side of the screen is dead. This whole section right here is all dead. It doesn't register any touches. I have cleaned it. I have checked all the contacts. I've reseated the contacts multiple times. It is a defect in the digitizer portion of this screen.